Hello guys! Ayan, dahil birthday ni Dominic ngayon, nag-order na lang kami ng KFC! Ayan, dahil ayaw niya nga mag-blow na ng cake, ayaw niya rin ng party celebration. So ayan, nag-ano na lang kami, mag-KFC na lang daw. Tsaka pag gusto niya mamaya ng pizza, meron din kaming pizza, mag-bake na lang kami. So Dominic, come here! Happy birthday! How's your birthday?
Good.
Good. How old are you?
14.
Okay, so I order you KFC for today. Can you open it? What I order for you?
Sure. Let's see.
We're gonna see what's inside. It's all for you.
All for me?
Yes.
Man.
All for you because I'm having a diet.
Okay. Let's open.
Wow. So what's inside?
KFC.
Can you take out?
Okay, so this is the first one. We got fries.
Okay.
Okay.
So I order you 2 large French fries.
2 large ones.
Put the other one in the plate.
Bet.
Yes, 2 large French fries.
Okay. 4 burgers.
4 burgers. Wow.
We got the Zinger burger. We got the original.
Zinger burger and the original classic
We got
burger.
another Zinger.
Wow.
Another original.
It's your birthday.
Yeah.
So it's all for you.
We got chick.
And of
KFC
course,
bucket.
the chicken bucket.
We got every type of chicken from KFC.
Okay. So later, we're gonna have pizza in the afternoon.
Oh.
Okay, so let's eat. All for Dominic. Happy birthday, anak. Love you.
Thank you.
You're happy now?
Yes.
Okay, so let's eat. KFC. Happy birthday.